All right, this question has a fair bit going on with it. I'm going to start off by drawing the triangle itself kind of more obviously, like more simply, sorry. So this is 39. This is 67. No, I don't know anything else. Oh, wait, I can figure this one out because it and 63, they're supplementary. They add up to 180. So I'll do 180, take 63. And that gives me 117. So that's this one. Okay. And then I could actually figure out this last angle as well because now I know the two others and it's a triangle. So I'll do 180, take 117, take 39. That gives me 24. Now, when they say how far the salesman drove, he started at town A. So he drove up here and along here and back down here. So what we actually need to know, like we already know this length, but we need to know this length and we need to know this length. I've just called them X and D just for fun. So we're going to start off by finding X and then we're going to find D. So step one, find, well, it's actually the length BC, which I've labelled X. Okay, so here I'm going to call little a X. Now, the angle opposite that is the angle not touching it, which means that's big A here. And the other light side I do know is the 67, which means the angle B is going to be 24, yeah? So what I'm going to say is X over sine of the opposite, 39, equals the other side I do know, 67 over sine of the opposite to it, 24. I'm now going to get rid of these B's, A's, B's, A's. Just because they did label things A, B, C, it just gets really confusing if I leave them in. You may want to use different colours to help you out. So we have X equals 60, or you may not have even needed to write them in. 67 sine 39 over sine 24. And that gives us 67 sine 39 over sine 24. 103.67 kilometres. And then for number 2, we're going to find CA, which is what I've called D. So here, that's my A, which means this is my length big A. This is still the other side I knew at the start, so this is still angle big B. So I can write D on sine 117, because that was opposite, equals 67 on sine 24. Get rid of these. So D equals 67 sine 117 over sine 24. So D equals 146.77 kilometres. So his total distance is really the perimeter of this triangle. It's the 67 from A to B, the 103.67 from B to C, and the 146.77 from C to A. Which gives us 317.44 kilometres. They said to the nearest kilometre, so we're going to go 317 kilometres. So it was a complicated question, but once you kind of drew another diagram, got a sense for what things were, got a sense for what it was asking, it was much simpler.